Mission accomplished. And now the murderous chick is a selfish, only child. With Mum's devotion all to itself, it grows rapidly. And so does its food. A neighbouring nest contains drongo youngsters that look completely different. That's because this chick is a cuckoo. It was laid in this nest to deceive the drongo mother into adopting and caring for it. Her love is blind. Even with the competition of the other chicks out of the way, there's barely space for Mum anymore, and the cuckoo chick has secured enough food to survive.